The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall.
Alright guys, good evening or good morning or good night. Any state you're in, because I'm going live. This is my page. This is the only page I have because somebody was running the page for me and it's for them phone and it's for them thing. The only thing is me go on the live. You understand? And I said it doesn't make sense to have a phone now. I buy a phone and somebody doing my life. Remember me not have no sense of me, man. So we can't make sober people run my life for me. You understand? Now if you want to, I tell you ready something, you know. If you want to follow me, and you have to follow me. I add this. You understand? Somebody share this video because where you used to watch me, I'm not there anymore. This is my page and this is my phone. So I'm going to tell you how to get in touch with me. I soon put it on the screen. As you see, we are seafood restaurant. Every Friday you can come here, see my meal here for my birthday. Today is my official birthday, March the 5th. But because I couldn't get the date today, to keep the party, I have to keep it the 4th. And see, from Miami, the lady purchased a cake and a moscato, and I have in my meal. Somebody already purchased the clothes, the ear from the runway closet, my hairstyle, my makeup, my sneakers, and you can see all about it. You understand? Now, my son is not here because he have to rush out. He was here early on. You understand? Remember where me coming from? All the top range people kinda understand me and they really don't understand. The only somebody understand me is Joseph because me I go see him not answer. If me lick him not understand. Him not answer. I don't lick me back. Because he want to know the struggle, the pain I went through. So I really don't trust nobody. I don't trust my mother, the Bible say. I don't trust my father, my brother, my sister, my niece, my nephew, my neighbor, nobody. But myself. And you have to first love yourself before you can love others. You have to deal with your issue before you deal with somebody else's one. So because me know me have issue, me I take it to God. Big up Miss Donna to make me reach this far. Because she started a job and she see the goodness and God's grace and mercy on me and she follow with the dream. You have to follow your dream. So where you can get me at, share this video because where all the posts and everything, I'm not there anymore. Share this with me and if you want to call me, you can. You will get me. You understand? Because some of you already have my number, you can call me. Me know them say me ungrateful for this. You understand? But God can't fool and God not keep none. My Bishop, Reverend Dr. V.T. Williams said that. You understand? And you first have to love yourself. I used to just show me love myself. Me I go on my life by myself. Be my own manager. Me and Joseph. Because I tour with, struggle, and God bring me this far. So any success is for me and Joseph. You understand? That's what me did. The legacy live on. You understand? As you see yesterday, I keep my 9 nights of my birthday. Thank you guys. Thanks for the success. Thanks for the support. And all who don't support me, and I know a lot of bad mind people was there. Eat your heart out. Go ask God about the problem. Don't ask me. You understand? Because I go on fasting for this. And God said, remember your man. And for me, get the glory. Run your own page and be your own manager. You understand? But me can't manage nothing. My son and me, competition together, we can do it through Christ. All things are possible. We can do all things through Christ that strengthens us. Thank you, Miss Donna, for your strength. Sometimes you cuss us, but it brings out the best in me. Thank you. Thank you for the 2 Moscato. Thank you for the bag and thank you for the $5,000. You understand? A lot of people talking and say they really love me and I say all kind of thing. You understand? I was watching, especially when the selector playing when you did broke, yeah, everybody alright. And him say a lot of people go and jump on board with you. And me see everything. Cause me was at the back and watching who at the front. And me see everything and know everything and know who is with me from who is not with me. You understand? When me did broke, me and everybody alright. Me I come from far, from way down my country, St. Mary, St. Thomas. So nobody know my story better than me and Joseph to be our manager. And you can follow me. Share this video, please. I need your help. As you see, I come in live, I need your help. Share this video and follow me. You understand? Because I change out everything. You understand? I go on fasting for this. And this is the way the Lord is leading the mad woman. No.
So what Solaine is saying, guys, the page that you normally follow her on, you have to unfollow that page and come over to this page.
God, this is where I'm at now.
Official page. Because she asked the person to put the page on her phone and they said it's their page, it's not her Solaine page.
But they was just using me to do the live and go on live. We have to wait on them. If they're not there, no, if you follow me and if you really love me, follow me and you will see success. You understand? To
Alright, guys.
to me, so don't diss me. Just follow me. You understand? And we will have a lot of things more in coming and a lot of things to say. You understand? And you can pick sense out of nonsense. We don't have to talk everything raw on, but if you follow me, you will pick sense out of nonsense and know where I'm going and know where I'm coming from.
Okay, guys, so the page is Solaine _Anderson_ official page JA. That's Solaine new page. She's gonna monitor her own page. So this is the page. So wherever you is with her, if you're her fans, unfollow yourself from there. Because that's not Solaine page. They take that page from her.
Somebody take it from me, so I'm not going there, no live no more or nothing.
So anything you say on that page is not Solaine person.
You understand? If you want to follow me, we can't force you know. If you don't want to stick to that page, stick to it. If you have an event, you can call me. You understand? If you want to go live with me, you can call me. Follow me, please. You understand? Because I'm coming from so far and God bring me out. So just follow me and understand me and never have a phone, my phone mash up. You understand? I beat it with stone, clean it to the wall. No, I do ads and get back a phone. And this is where I'm at now. Change out my number and everything. So just follow me.
So it's Solaine _Anderson_ official page JA. That's the page you're supposed to follow Solaine on. As of
share
today.
this video, share it. Share the live with somebody and tell them Solaine page change. Solaine is not there anymore because it's not my phone. They say it's their page, it's them set it up. They was just using me to do do live. You understand? So now everything cancel, everything take back, and I am doing my own page.
Alright, so okay, so our outfit, our hair is from Icons Nails and Beauty Salon, hairstylist Christine, nail tech Davina, outfit from Rip the Runway Closet. Our sneakers, our Nike sneakers is from our first donor, which is Yvonne Clark from the Bronx. And what was it again? She give you the sneakers. And she give you $3,000, so you must buy something, buy yourself a drink, Solaine.
Thank you.
All right.
And this is the cake.
The cake now is from one of your Miami fans. So she bought the cake and she bought the Moscato.
Right. Okay. And I'm having my seafood.
And the seafood is from Seafood Fridays at Smoothies, Juice Bar and Cafe. So some of you said to the people them, Solaine.
I want to thank you guys for bringing me this far.
Alright, so viewers and subscribers, that video shows a female who goes by the name of Solaine, showing appreciation to our fans. You see what I say? Yeah, giving thanks to our fans and also letting her fans know that a certain page that she used to be on, she's not on that page anymore. You see me? Which is a social media page, you see me? And she's trying to let persons know that she have a different social media page. You see me I said to you, why is it that sometimes when persons are rising or becoming famous, some of the times there is some form of problem with persons that they used to hang out with or they used to be friends with or so forth? Why? What make? Anyways, viewers and subscribers, the video is right there to hear some of the things that Solaine said for yourself. You see me I say? So you can listen to some of the things that she said and understand what she's saying or the things that she's talking about, and you can also let me know what you think about the video. Here's where I'm going to leave it, yeah. Big up and respect to each and every one. Big up yourself, Solaine, and stay focused, you see? And until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. I'm name Dancehall Skilla, You wanna big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla.